Welcome everybody. This is the WordPress webinar, and this is our second session. The first session of the webinar is online and video recorded, and those are up on YouTube and also on the website so that you can go look at the recording of them in case you missed it. And today I think what we'll do is we're going to look at the parts of setting up for actually writing on your WordPress site. So there's a couple of factors that surround that. Writing's pretty easy to do, but we'll go through some of the ins and outs. And again, I'm going to compare between WordPress.org and WordPress.com. So those of you who weren't in the first session, basically WordPress.com is a actual hosting site, and there's more packaged into the WordPress there. They provide you with a lot of features and functionality and restrict you from other items. And then WordPress.org is the actual main site where you can get your own copy of WordPress and install it on your own hosting site. So there's some differences between the two, so I'll try to point them out as I go along. So these are the topics. We're going to look at the user accounts, the roles, and capabilities of users. I know some people that have come to the webinar were interested in setting this up where other people in their organization would be actually posting, so this will be helpful in that area. Just a touch on what we call permalinks, although I think on the third session we'll look at SEO, but you need to know a little bit about that for hosting your own. There are some choices there. We'll look at, of course, creating and editing posts, the concept of post formats and how that relates to themes. So do a refresher on what a theme is. We're not going to get into actually making themes or anything like that, but we'll just look at the feature called post formats. The categories and tags, which are ways for people to search for the topics on your WordPress website. And on WordPress.com, they have polls and ratings, so if we have some time, we'll look at those. I have some links on various items that we'll be talking about. So, for example, we have the user accounts and links to either WordPress.com and how it describes it for users and account holders there, or WordPress.org for those of you who are hosting your own websites as you go along.